struggle. Yeah. So we still have to show you guys what I'm going out there. Yeah, bless up on yourself. Yeah, the weather rough, man, guys. Rough weather. Yeah, bad. Yeah. Don't see any good sign yet. We just try a thing. So stay tuned, guys, and we take it up back on we say. Yeah. Done rock him out now. So we're going to take up the net now, guys. Take up the first set. See what I go on. Yeah. Trying to come down near in a deep there. Yeah. Just wait until the breeze ripe up some more. Fishing on the outskirt there. Yeah, so I want to stay tuned and watch it, you know. Guys, this don't look good. The wrong sign this. Baby mackerel coming in the corner. Don't mean anything. Yeah, just a few wickets on it. Better than nothing. 5 cinnamon difference and some shad and macabac, cobbler jack and some cobali jack. Yeah, some cavallo. Yeah guys, we die the same way, so I'm stay tuned now, we see what I'm going now. Breeze tough. Yeah, it don't kill that though. Yeah, but him a go on with himself. Yeah, we used to it still. Well, let's go the second one now, guys. So we'll show you catch from the first one. Yeah. Breeze kind of cut down a little lighter. And now we come out. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, we are going to rock out the one now, guys. Yeah. Second one, this. Then we take him up.
See there, babes. Second catch this. Both this one, if see first one, then I agree. Yeah, that's the first one. This is the second one. Basically same amount. So we are going to try them again. We probably have a couple more snapper in this one. So we are try them again and see. Yeah man, that is it people. I too set this now people, we don't pick out everything. You know, too bad, but we still have hope for better. Yes guys. So we are moved to a different location. We are moved forward and see what we have. So one little piece of water over so we'll probably try it and see. So just stay tuned everybody, we show you what go on.
Yeah, the third one gone overboard now. Yeah, different section of the fishing ground. So, I hit that again. Here we go again people. Yeah. That are rock out the boat. Yeah. Let's stay tuned. At it sleep and move to a different section of the fishing ground. You know if anything will go on that's neither. We'll look up a shot in here so I'm bring. And anything else. Really tough guys, really tough. In there. First one is a maca forward. Yeah. Again. Second one is a little mullet, a white mullet. Nothing to speak about because I know them yard this. If them pass through, we lucky. But we can't make that one frightened with some mullet is here. If it was closer to the mangrove now. I just see one you know you have a hope. See somebody shot them already guys. One that looks soft bad. Another maca back there. There is no excitement today now. I just say going on. That's a brim. Stay tuned till we don't take up the net. Alright, show me what is up. See if it can float. Yeah, see a bonefish too by the water though. We're going to stay way up in here. See them way up there? Yeah. Stay there. One of them soon see the fish. I wonder where they are. They took up one and gone already guys. So. Can't get to see the action again. Watch action, watch the frigate bird, watch it guys. Yeah, see that? Go pick up the fish and go and swallow it. Look at that. Yeah. In there guys, asking if we have any more. That is it.
Right, this is the third one this. Big snap up on him or something. Still not great, we could have been better. So we are going to search for better. Yeah, we have a few more snappers here as well. And this here I will pick out at the same set. So all of this are the third set guys. Yeah, so just stay tuned.
Yeah, the fourth one I go overboard now guys. Yeah, we will leave this a bit soak. And them not work at all. Yeah. Don't know so I go and find it when we come back out. That one of my little corners go cool out. Yeah. Sunday. The other day we ain't down, but they're leaving it out there to soak, to stay out there. Yeah. There's not much you can do. It don't make sense to run up and down, tired of yourself and burn out fluid. Yeah. That can't work. Yeah, I'll go see a lot of fishers doing it the same way. Yeah. You take your time, guys, and know what you do. Yeah. Yeah, see the evidence of the mangrove down there. See one there, that is yellow. See another one here. See another one there tap over the rope because the tide eye, guys. And these are almost on the leeward side, semi-leeward side of the regular wind and the hurricane wind that pass through. Those over there, the windward side. Over there, so. Yeah. Yes guys, the tide very high. Normally, normally guys, the boat wouldn't touch the leaves here. You know, so the tide is very high, so the boat floats high. So we're going underneath there, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Under the hideout. Yeah. Now you have to bend down. Yeah. You guys are the highest tide this from the other day. For how long now? From last year. Yeah. We normally get this in September month. Yeah, so you know things are changing. Yeah, and most likely it is for the worst, guys. So with that, you know, this is what we catch now, guys. Nothing to talk about, but we have to give thanks. Yeah. Yeah. And this we catch from the last set. Yeah. Still not bad, you know, guys, because pure balling. Yeah, sit there. Nice blue crab. Yeah. Yeah. Nice snapper there, a couple more over there. Yeah. So one corner igloo I work with today. Yeah, see the rest in there. Got the cooler. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Now stay tuned till we go out to cut that one there now. You can hear the breeze. Yeah. Yeah, and something wrong up here, so guys, because we didn't have that clearance right there, so some mangrove turnover. Guys, no done already, you know. Go and eat a East Indian mango right now, you know. And make a little chill out, yeah, until we go back out. We had the time I draw here, but we still have to show no one mango. Yeah, so bless up until we go back out. Yeah. Yes guys, we are going up at the net now. Come out of the little place there. We are going up at the net now. We rock him out and take him up. After that we're going home. We finish with it. Trial and error thing for today. Yeah, we give thanks. Yeah. And next time we come out, come try again, see what I want. Yeah. It was a wonderful day. Yeah. Guys, when we saw we catch it up. Yeah. Just stay tuned. Yeah. That is it. This guy is the place. Here's the part. You can't see any of the hills them behind. You see hill number 1 and number 2, which is the mangrove, and 1 over behind. And you have two other hills behind, but you can't see them because of the dust and the haze. Yeah. But we used to it, anything strange. Yeah. So bless up, we are going to rock out now. All aboard. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, we are rocking out now. I will take him up and go home. Yeah, see one end there. And the other end right out there. And down there. Yeah. Good amount of breeze, guys. take him up back here now. 2 blue crab and 2 macabac. Still look soft. We see as we go along though. Another macabac here. Weather rough guys, weather rough. Stingray eat all the fish them off of the net. You notice that from morning. Every settlement stingray them and they eat all the fish them. Couple of that them. Can't go put them. Karate. You know me? You guys don't stay tuned, you know. Yeah. That blue crab coming up there. Yeah, nice blue crab there. Guys, the bridging just turned up. Brown pelican, see there? I was wondering where he is. But see that guy does a show. Show up in the lake. Yeah, show and give him there. Yeah. Give me the food. Ah, they missed a while ago, guys. Alright, see there? Can't afford to make it go running. Yeah. That is it. Yes guys, we're on the last part of the net now. And there should be quite a number of fish on here. And you see how it stay guys. Stay bad. Jellyfish in the water, you know, guys. Come up on the net, scratch. But you have to know to check up the net. Yeah. Every year this time, a little bit heavy rain, they come out. Yeah, start picture, guys. Guys, when you set the net, you're going this corner here now, and you don't see any fish at all. Yeah, you know you're not serious trouble. Yeah. This is the part that you set most to track them. This last part of the net right over here. Yeah. Quite a couple shot here. Couple macabac. Because they will run right around in the net. And when they come into this part they can't come back out. Yeah. They will watch the rope and run right around. Until they get into trouble. But guys, we are not here. See a snapper there. Macabac. The pelican have a partner today. Somehow the other one suspect that food is giving away up here. Them come to make a check. Right. I'm sorry for him still. Because you can't give something out of nothing. Guys, you see how far they stay from the boat, guys. If a lot of fish was coming in the net, they will be right beside the boat, trying to grab one. But see them way down there. Yes guys, just 1 and 2 fish, 1 and 2. Might catch a couple snapper in here and a couple shot, might. Yeah, see a few shot here. Yeah. No sign of the snapper. Macabac here, guys. Normally this would have some fish in there, especially in this kind of wind. Not this particular spot. This time there's snapper there, guys. Another snapper, some shad. Another shad. These are the ones we're talking about, guys. Those are the wild fish. They decide their mind to run alongside the net and say they're not going in there. When they reach the corner now, then get no problem. Two nice blue crab here, guys. This guy, see the pole in it? That look like it crystallized. Got a hole on the side. Yeah. Can't even go to government. They're going to where them violate him. Yeah. Him gone a rubbish truck now, guys. Him CDS over. Guys, see one of the stinging jellyfish here. See one gone in the water there. And see one here. Go scratch very bad. Yes guys, you might have 4 or 3 snapper in here now, might. Yeah. Last part of the net here. We have the little part we call it destroyer. There, you can drop that one. Yeah. We actually reach the last little point, guys. So you look there, one headless one coming. Stingray work on that one. Yes guys. One of the worst jellyfish here. This brown one here. When that puppy scratch you, it's burning like pepper, guys. There's one more here. Got that one. Yeah? Them, you know, guys, and get them out of the net, you know. God is scratching. Terrible. Yes, guys, if I have one snapper, we still look good. Right at this corner here. Let me see. A shot there. Don't feel any snapper. Another shot there, some macabac. A drumfish. 2 more shots. Guys, no snapper not coming out of the place. Not the area, 1 and 2. Guys, that's how it's going on. I eat that for the fishing trip. Yeah, you will see the final catch. Yeah, we're heading home now. Yes guys, Dada soon show you the couple we catch that in the net. Not bad at all. Based on what is going on. So we give thanks and praise. Yeah.
Yes guys, see their final catch for the day. I best one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the best catch for out of all 4 guys.
Yes, guys.
This is the best. We have a few shots. As Dream Island boss. Few snappers. Yeah. Yeah, if we did plan for like our next one, we would have probably catch some more again, but it's going home time. Yes, people. So stay tuned. We are going to pick them out, and when we reach in, we show them the final catch. So this is what they look like. Yeah, people. Heading home. So catch up on the final catch, guys.
Yeah, we're leaving fishing together now.
Yeah, guys, see them here? Yeah, I am that. Yeah, guys, see, nice to go catch it 9 it. Yeah, man, that is it.
Yes, guys, almost reached back Manilana already. What I think that might seem strange to you guys, but not to us, is the fact that we didn't see not even one fishing boat from we go out. Neither coming in, going out, nor fishing. Yeah, but we knew, guys, from before that we might not see any of them, right? Because the weather is very hard and a lot of blubber in the water, a lot of jellyfish. They're all type and sizes. Scratch you up and sting you up, bump you up. Yeah, and if you're allergic to it, it's salt. So a lot of fishers wouldn't risk coming out here the poor catch, right? And the jellyfish in the water. Plus we have strong current out here. The rainwater current is very strong, you know? Yeah, but we knew beforehand what the situation is. Because we used to it. We're accustomed to it year after year. Yeah. So it's nothing strange to us. Yeah, so I want to stay tuned. Let's look up on the land. So yes guys, time for the anchor go overboard now. As I'm mooring. Yeah. That is it. Yeah. Back on Beryl'S beach again. Yes guys, another wonderful day. Yeah, so we give thanks and praise. Yeah, guys, very high, hella proper land there. The sea a come over upon the land. What is the problem, guys? Look at that, man. So guys, we're going in, you know. So on stay tuned, we see the final catch. And that I finish, pick them out.
Yes, people, final catch. As you can see, we have some snapper, some lovely snapper. That cobbler jack, barracuda, and the rest of some fine underneath. Yeah, this is it, people. Yeah, 4 set that we put overboard and that's the catch. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Hope for better, but that's what we got. So yeah, much blessings.
Yeah, that is it. Yeah,
Island boss.
Yeah, man. No, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know. Yeah, and soon the other one. Watch the weather, guys. You see that? Yeah.
People, rough
that
weather.
Is it, look there.
Rough weather.
Look at that, now. Look at that. Watch this, guys. Okay. I don't think a fisherman have a face.
Yeah.
So, bless up on yourself. Until then.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.